Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are looking for a way to add flowers to a small or large space and keep the extra style in the process, rustic, vintage, or retro looks are the way to go. You will love to use wooden barrels, baskets, old sinks, old bed frames, and of course all of the rusty or weathered items like old milk jugs and doors. In this video, I am sharing some incredible ideas for how to turn rustic or vintage items into statement pieces in your garden or lawn. You can use these ideas to decor your backyard or front yard. From stuffing old buckets with dirt and flowers to turning an old chair into a succulent planter, this video has something beautiful for every garden you can imagine. These are great ways to build a unique look that you would not find in any other garden but will fall in love with seeing on your own. So here comes a question to your mind. Where can you find vintage items for your garden? So if you don't have some old items already on hand, then you need to start looking. You can check into yard sales, estate sales, and flea markets. Sometimes you will find items in a local thrift shop that fit the retro, rustic, or vintage style also. You can also find some stuff online. Of course, right now going out and shopping isn't always easy. So online is a good source to get all such items. You can go to Etsy or some other people who are selling updated thrift items or their own vintage collections. You can decorate your wooden fence in vintage look with a few antique pieces. Or you can have an old oak barrel which can be converted to flower pot that will add both beauty and function in a vintage and rustic style. If you have an old swing desk, you can convert it into a beautiful planter. For this purpose, you can add a basket flower pots beneath the desk on a low rack. On top of the desk, a reclaimed piece of wood is the perfect place to place a simple wooden window planter filled with flowering purple and white flowers and lush greens. You can also plant your favorite flowers in it. Or you can also create a very beautiful bucket garden. Rusty metal items give you such beautiful rustic inspired decor that you can incorporate into your lawn and garden at any time of the year. If you have been trying to turn the outside of your home into a farmhouse inspired exterior, these rustic ideas are definitely going to help. The rust on old metal items really does give it a rustic look, and you can have so many rustic items from metal like wind chimes to bucket planters and even some great fencing ideas. In this way, you can also repurpose your old stuff. That means that they are really budget friendly to make. If you don't happen to have the rusty metal items, then yes, you can visit some other places which I have already discussed with you. But yes, you can find so many items in your trash or junk which you have collected and gathered in your backyard just to throw away. But now you don't need to throw it away, you can recycle it and you can create so many repurposed projects using all these ideas. So now start gathering up that old rustic items to have some gorgeous outdoor decor. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Never forget to mention which new design ideas you want to enjoy on our channel. See you in some other video. Till then, take care.